Today, we are visiting one of the largest shopping mall in Malaysia for the very first time. This place is so huge that people say you can actually get lost inside. And inside this mall, there are even a rainforest with giant fish and hundreds of plants. So today we are exploring everything from Chinese New Year decoration to the famous rainforest area. Let's see what makes One Utama shopping center so special. So our journey started with the grab riding heading towards the Bandar Utama. This area of Damansara is well known for shopping and entertainment. And right here is where the Malaysia's most famous malls is located. From outside the mall is already look massive. It's having two wings. One Utama actually has more than 700 stores spread across multiple levels. Can you believe that? 700 stores. Maybe a whole city doesn't have that much of store, making it one of the biggest mall in the country. Because it was our first time visiting, we were very curious to see what was waiting inside. So let's go and start exploring. Inside the mall, the first thing we notice that just how large the space is. The corridors are wide and there are shops everywhere. At first, you don't immediately see the main decoration because the mall layout is quite big. So, we had to walk a little further inside before reaching the central area. And slowly, the festive atmosphere starting appeared around us. Finally, we reached the central court decoration area. This is where the mall creates its main festive display. See how beautiful it is from the top it looks. Of course, we're gonna go down and see the decoration much closer. So let's go. The setup of is full of bright red colors, lanterns, traditional Chinese element. See so many fans like hand fans. They make a good illusion with this. Like I really like this. All the cherry blossom trees, the lanterns, the horses everywhere. Because of course it is the horse here. So of course I took lots of pictures, some pictures in my Instagram also. So red is considered a lucky color during the Chinese New Year, symbolizing happiness and prosperity. I am saying this in my every vlog because I love it. That's why you can see so many red decoration and golden details around the display. The entire area became a beautiful photo spot. Visitors were stopping here, taking pictures and enjoying the festive environment. The decoration are also designed to match the open space of the central court. So when you stand here, you can really see how big the mall is around you. Like there is everywhere some path is going. So obviously you get confused also. So when you stand here, you feel the whole mall is around you. The festive lighting also makes the whole area feels very lively. And this was great way to start our first exploration of this huge mall. After enjoying the decoration, we continued our walk through the mall, and that's when we discovered something very unique. Right in the middle of the shopping center, there is actually a rainforest garden. This rainforest area was specially designed to bring nature into the mall environment. It's a multi level green space with a large tropical plant and trees. In fact, the rainforest area contains more than 100 forest trees and different plant species. So, when you walk here, it really feels like stepping into a small jungle inside a mall. You can also see a large pond filled with beautiful fish. Many of these are koi fish and freshwater fish swimming peacefully in the water. Yes, you can feed them too. This place is designed to give visitors a relaxing break from shopping. There are also cafes, restaurants around the area where people can sit and enjoy the view. And honestly, after walking around a busy mall, this calm green space feels really refreshing. We spent quite some time here and just watching the fish and enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. Places like this are one of the reasons why One Uttama is so famous. Now, the camera and the microphone goes to Rishin. Of course, he has lots of things to say about this.
Leave or don't leave? We are doing some adventure here. I am commentating. These are the feet. I don't have mic. How do I see? See the rain. They created the rain inside the mall. The more I see, the more I get surprised. These are all artificial, you know.
Obviously.
But it's created in a way inside a mall. I don't know what they would have thought when they actually built this kind of thing. So I'd say this is the second biggest mall in Malaysia, and I think in Southeast Asia, and this belongs to the top 10 biggest mall, if I'm not wrong. So first is that IOI Putrajaya, and second is that One Uttama.
Too much.
This is kind of jungle gym, you know. One of the person is actually doing that adventure. I think. Oh my god. You need to be very skillful. It's really an adventure, huh? Wow. So people, if you want to have some kind of adventure, you just come out from your home and come to a mall, you can have a blast. Just you need to walk down to a mall, huh, to have an adventure. Yeah, I want to show them that what is going on there. Even I am a bit of surprise. That's why I am not able to restrict my emotions here. You know. Okay, you can take this fish and you can have a curry. You Bengalis eat
You
fish,
Bengali?
right?
You are not Bengali?
No, I am not Bengali. I am Gujarat.
একটু আগেই তো খেয়ে বেরোলে, আবার কিসের খাবার তোমার? নিচে আরো আছে।
बहुत बड़ा रेलखंड है। थोड़ा मॉल भी देख लेते हैं या फॉरेस्ट भी घूमते हैं।
फॉरेस्ट घूमना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है मुझे। এখানে বাচ্চাগুলোকে বড় করছে, তারপরে ওখানে যেই বড় হয়ে যাচ্ছে বড়গুলোকে ওখানে ছেড়ে দিচ্ছে।
यहाँ पे टाइगर भी मिलता है क्या?
কত বড় হয়তো নয়।
टाइगर
ওটা কি টাইগারের পিকচার? কেন টাইগার ছিল নাকি?
यार पता
2000 সাল থেকে 2022 অবধি।
लोगों को कोई विश्वास नहीं।
ট্রেড পুরো অ্যাডভেঞ্চারের ইয়ে বানিয়ে রেখে দিয়েছে। After the rainforest area, we continued exploring the rest of the mall. And this is where we really realized just how big One Mutama actually is. The mall covers more than 5 million square feet of space. Of course, the information I got from the tourism cylinder. That means there are hundreds of shops, restaurants and entertainment areas inside. You can find fashions, electronic shops, cafe and so many different brands. There are even cinemas, sports activities and entertainment zone inside the mall. So it's not just a place for shopping. It's more like a full lifestyle destination. We walked around different corridors and selection for quite a long time. Of course, Rishin loves shopping, so he enjoyed most of the time exploring the window shopping. Yes, we did shop a little here and there, but okay, that's not much. Sometimes we stopped to look at the stores, sometimes we just enjoyed exploring. Even though we filmed only part of our walk, we actually spent almost 2 hours here. And honestly, it feels like you could spend the entire day exploring this mall, still you can't able to finish. So mostly we walked in the corridors, the main areas and this. Later we moved to another wing of the mall. Actually we don't even realize. We just walked and we reached there. And there we discovered another CNY decoration setup. This decoration looks different but still very beautiful. The festive lanterns and the bright colors again create a very cheerful atmosphere. Many visitors were gathered around to take photos. It's always interesting to see how different parts of the mall design their decorations. And each area has its own style and theme. Walking through this decoration really adds to the festive experience of the visiting the mall. After all this exploration and walking around this huge mall, we were definitely feeling hungry. So we decided to have lunch in India Gate restaurant inside the mall. Remember, we saw the India Gate when we are going to the rainforest area? If you forgot, don't worry. I am bringing that up again. But that part of the experience deserves its own video because this video is already so long. So stay tuned because our India Gate lunch vlog is coming in next video. And that's what our first adventure exploring One Uttama in Damansara. So if you enjoyed this mall tour with us, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Bombay to Life. I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, take care and everyone telling Gongshi Pashai and Happy Lunar New Year!